Can you guess how fast legends go? Let's find out. Let's kick off with some insane machines. This one shocked the world of speed. Yup, nearly 500 km per hour. That's not normal. This Ferrari is faster than it looks. Hybrid power, pure Ferrari speed. An icon from the hybrid hypercar era. One of the fastest hybrids ever made. Let's switch gears. Here's a quick one. It mixes V12 roar with electric punch. This bull is born to run. That V12 doesn't hold back. Let's end up level 1 with the legend. One of the greatest hypercars ever built. Speeds get tighter and trickier. British beauty meets raw power. It's not just classy, it's crazy fast. 4 seats, 3 cylinders, 400 reasons to smile. Yes, a 4-seater doing 400 km per hour. Smaller Lambo, but still wild. It's compact but seriously sharp. Ready for a quick location test? American hypercars are no joke either. Art, carbon, and brutal speed. That's Italian elegance with fighter jet speed. This one runs on electrons and adrenaline. The EV world has a new king. Welcome to hypercar territory. One of Ferrari's ultimate achievements. V12 and electric working in harmony. McLaren's most aerodynamic shape ever. Fastest McLaren to date, no question. A tribute to a century of raging bulls. Celebration never looked or moved this fast. One of these doesn't use fuel. Which one? Quiet, but outrageously quick. This was once the fastest car on Earth. A true game changer in speed history. America's answer to Bugatti. This one goes way beyond fast. Precision matters. Welcome to the final stage. F1 tech packed into a hypercar. That's not just fast, it's extreme. From Denmark with a wild intent. Insane design and even crazier speed. It's beautiful, but don't be fooled. Retro Soul, Hyperspeed. Quick test. Which of these is Swedish? From the land of ice comes fire. An F1 engine on a public roads? Yes. That's street legal Formula 1. Texas took on the world with this one. This car is built to destroy records. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Tell us how much did you hit in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. See you soon.